Pilipinas. Pagkain man o pagyaman, biyahe man kung saan-saan, kahit pa sino pa ang iyong angkan. What's up, Pilipinas?
Thank you so much. I'd like to again welcome all of you, our customers, our friends, and supporters for the past 13 years. Our journey has been enjoyable because of your support, and we are continuing our mission in delivering and improving the IT lives of all of you. This year is Network Manager's 13th year anniversary. And again, our mission is to improve your IT lives. We thank you for your trust and confidence for making us a leader in the Philippine IT security and management space. Be rest assured that we at NMI will continue to commit ourselves in our mission. This year, we unveil a new era of IT security and management. So we have officially launched Kaseya 365. Just as Microsoft 365 business offered all essential productivity apps in one affordable product package, Kaseya 365 is the offering that will become the Microsoft 365 of security. $14 billion of investment over the past decade has resulted into one affordable subscription. And I'd like to call on Jonathan Mo, our Chief Technology Officer, to share more about Kaseya 365. Jonathan?
Yes.
Thank you.
So, okay na ba? So, okay po. Yeah. So, as you know, Sir Winston introduced us the Kaseya 365. So, we're using the NIST cybersecurity framework. So if you notice, we have the identify, protect, detect, response, and recover. So, why Kaseya 365? So with this, one subscription lang siya, one license, automatic, meron na kayo to manage, secure, backup, and automate all of your systems. So this is the mga licenses natin na yung mga makukuha nyo sa Kaseya 365. So to manage, we have the RMM, ito yung remote monitoring and management natin. To secure, meron na din kayong makukuha antivirus, EDR, ransomware detection, and backup, meron na din kayong makukuha endpoint backup. Then, pag kumuha kayo na Pro, meron na din kayong makukuha na MDR. This is the managed SOC. So, this is just one license, you will get it all. So, konting overview lang sa RMM. So, basic security, meron tayong patching ng mga operating system natin sa deployment, configuration hardening, yung sabi na natin, what you cannot see, you cannot manage. So, we have the monitoring, alerting, hardware and software inventory, endpoint protection, network management, and yung pati yung mga mobile device natin, mamamanage natin yan. So, this is for the RMM. We also have the EDR and AV. So this is powered by NATO. So if you notice, this is 99.6% malware efficiency rate. So with the ano naman natin sa mga zero-day trend natin, we have the 98% detection rate natin. So, antivirus, this is some of the features natin, real-time protection, warranty. So, this is usually common pero yung pinaka-importante kasi dito, yung efficacy rate. Kano makagaling yung detection ng antivirus natin. So, next. We also have the EDR. So, bakit? Kung meron na kayong AV, kailangan nyo pa rin na meron kayong EDR. So, this is sa mga endpoint detection natin para sa mga zero-day threats, non-secure na mga threats natin. Naka-base siya sa MITRE ATT&CK mapping, smart recommendation. So, kung meron yan na-detect, meron din siyang auto-remediation yung EDR natin. So, this is kasama na din sa 365 natin. Then, this is all yung mga testing namin, yung mga sinabi namin na 99.6%, etc. This is all tested by Micom. So you can search that sa Micom. So this is a third-party security testing. So hindi ito yung, so para siya yung Gartner, pero this is focused sa mga security products like yung mga penetration testing, firewall, AV, EDR, MDR. So, meron na din tayong kasama dyan na Dato endpoint backup. So, this is cloud-based to. So, you can back up yung mga system nyo. You can do the bare metal restoration. So, this is direct to cloud. So, wala nang hardware na kailangan sa loob ng system nyo. Then, lastly, pag kumuha kayo ng Pro, meron na din kayong managed SOC MDR. So, ang kagandahan dito, para kayong meron sariling security officer center. So, for example, usually attack nangyayari yan pag holiday or pag tulog na kayo. So, with this, meron 24/7, 365 day na magmo-monitor ng security nyo. So, XDR na din siya. So, anything na meron nangyari doon, wari meron na ransomware na isa yung PC, automatic, yung SOC team in the US, in the AU, automatic, tatanggalin nyo na sa network yung machine na yun, tapos tatawakan kayo. So, para kayo meron extension na team na SOC. So, this is all certified to ng mga cybersecurity expert. So, yun na. To end my short presentation, so we have the Kaseya 365, so this is just one license. Pag kumuha kayo ng Express, RMM, AP, EDR, ransomware detection, And for yung backup, then pag naka-program na kayo, bukod sa meron na kayong express na kasama lahat, meron pa kayong nuggets. So this is a very good kasi all of the security product overall sa NIST, you can secure your network. So if you have any question, kasi very high level na, you can approach our mga technical staff or yung mga naka-t-shirt na I am secure so that you can know about pa sa products. So thank you. That's the meeting.
Thank you.